Hey guys, welcome back to another workout. Today we're gonna be hitting abs. I've got 8 exercises picked out for us. You're not gonna need any equipment, but we're gonna be doing every exercise on the ground, so get yourself a yoga mat. Before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. Let's get into this routine. All right, you guys, starting off, we're gonna be doing some knee crunches. So for this exercise, go ahead and lie flat on your back, bring your arms up behind your head, crisscross your calves, and bring your body up towards your feet. So for this exercise, your shoulders should come completely off the mat as you try to reach for your toes, but you're not gonna make it as far as your knees. That's why it's called a knee crunch. So this is the exercise, you guys. We're gonna be doing it for 1 minute. So let's stay here. Make sure you're flexing and engaging that core and those abs. Let's get it.
I like your taste in tunes and everything you ooze. The tempo of your beat, you bleed a melody. No one can control that old time rock and roll. No rule of gravity, and hey, can I follow you back to your room?
From here, we're gonna do some cross crunches. For this exercise, it's gonna be a little bit different. Bring your knees up and bend your knees slightly. You're gonna do your thing. Hands come behind the head, and we're gonna take opposite elbow to opposite knee. However, you're not bringing your upper body completely off the mat. When you reach for elbow to knee, your shoulder's gonna come off the mat, but you're not bringing your upper body off that much. We're focusing here on the upper abs as well as the upper oblique muscles. So for here, we're gonna stay for 1 minute as well. Every exercise is 1 minute, just so I don't have to keep saying that. Okay, let's get it. Next up, we have reverse crunches. For this exercise, lie flat on your back. Try to get your back as flat as possible. We don't want any arching. We don't want any pulling from the back muscles. We're trying to focus on the lower abs here as well as the middle abs. Legs come up into a slightly bent position. You're gonna take your heels down and tap the ground and bring those legs back up. Do that again and again. We're gonna do that for 1 minute. Remember, try to get into a comfortable breathing motion or breathing pattern, whatever you want to call it. Just breathe through this exercise because it can be a little bit challenging. Your lower body is really heavy, so having this exercise where your legs are almost like a lever, you can feel a little bit off balance, and it's gonna make you want to arch your back, but don't do it, okay? Let's get it.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight. Won't you talk to me?
From here, we're gonna get into cycling crunches. So for this exercise, you're going to extend one leg and bring one leg in simultaneously. Hands come up behind the head, and we're gonna take opposite elbow to opposite knee and do like a bicycle, Again, make sure you're focusing on your core, engaging those abs. For this exercise here, we're working total abs, upper, middle, lower, and obliques. Oh, it's such a good one. Make sure you're crunching, you're leaning into the side, and you're just killing it, okay? All right, bring your knees up, slightly bend them. For this exercise, we're gonna be doing some heel touches. So shifting your body, your upper body stays on the ground. Shoulders come off slightly just so you can lean from side to side. Neck comes in. It's very important what your head placement is like. You don't wanna be leaning your head back and looking up at the ceiling. We want the body to kind of flow together. So neck comes in as you're looking forward and you're shifting from side to side, working those obliques as well as those upper abs, and you're tapping your heel with your thumb. I always use the thumb because it's the shortest finger on the hand, and you're gonna have to really lean as far as you can over to tap the heel with the thumb. So try to do that from side to side, and we've got 1 minute here. All right, go ahead and lie back for some flutter kicks. We're gonna lie all the way back again. Try to keep the back completely on the floor. Think belly button to spine. Try not to arch the back and pull from the back muscles. Legs come up and we're going to overlap them in a easy, slow motion. I'm gonna go up and down and kind of rotate. You can stay in one position, whatever's more comfortable for you. It's the same workout. It's just a little bit more resistance when you change ranges. So when I go up, it's less resistance. And when I go down, it's more resistance. So shifting can really help you, but also a good breathing pattern can help you too. So make sure you're inhaling and you're exhaling as you do these exercises, okay? Sitting up for some Russian twists. For this exercise, we are going to be sit up. You want to bend your knees, crisscross your calves over each other, or you can leave your legs straight, and you want to bring them up off the ground. So elevate those legs or levitate, I don't know which one it is. And you're going to shift your upper body from side to side. I like to keep my hands free. Some people put their hands together and they shift their fists. I don't know, for some reason I really like just leaving my hands separate and just tapping the floor. It's easy for me. If this is challenging for you to bring your legs up in a hover, you can always put your legs on the ground and just move your upper body. We're all at different levels here on this fitness journey, so whatever is more comfortable for you, do it. All right, guys, and getting into our last exercise, we've got extended leg crunches. So for this exercise, lie all the way flat. You're going to bring your arms all the way back and your legs all the way out. We're going to take the opposite arm to the opposite foot while they are both extended, and then bringing back or contracting, you're going to bring your elbow behind the head and you're going to bring the knee up to the elbow. This exercise is working total abs, upper, lower, middle, and obliques. So make sure you take it nice and slow and you're really giving it all you got. Engage that core and engage those abs.
In the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside.
Sorry, I had less energy in this video. I got my blood drawn this morning and I felt so blah. So if you guys are like, wow, she really is like dead, that's why. I was dead. No blood. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.